Hello friends, welcome to Eat Wise by Mansi. In conditions like diabetes, which are chronic, managing them becomes very difficult. People with diabetes often have the responsibility on themselves to manage everything from doctor's appointment to injecting insulin to figuring out what to eat and not to eat. This can be so very stressful and overwhelming. I am a certified fitness expert and a nutritionist with a PG diploma in counseling psychology from the Tata Institute of Social Sciences. As a project course, I had developed a holistic approach to managing diabetes, including medical care, nutrition, fitness, and mental health. And now I want to share this with each of you who are facing problems while managing diabetes. To manage blood sugar, the first step is to understand the condition. Don't just Google but educate yourself from reliable sources like authentic website and cross-check by talking with diabetic educators. Do not miss regular checkups with your doctor. Keep track of your sugar levels regularly and take your medicines on time. Make a plan. Set smart goals for lifestyle changes. Start exercising and eating healthy. Get advice from a certified fitness expert and get a customized diet plan from professional nutritionists. Keep a journal. Write about how was your day, what did you do, and is there anything that you would like to change? Write down your emotions and feelings at the end of the day. Talk to someone and don't hesitate to ask for help. If you are feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or anxious, seek professional help. I will be conducting a series of webinars teaching you step-by-step methods on this holistic approach to diabetes management. This webinar will include nutrition guidance, covering low glycemic foods, healthy fats and protein sources, physical activity, understanding various options and choosing which is right for you, emotional well-being, identifying your emotions and how to manage them. On completing this webinar, you will be able to understand how to keep your sugar levels in control with proper nutrition and physical activity, identifying your emotions and what you should do to manage them better. The first webinar will be conducted on 6th August. So friends, grab this opportunity as there will be very small nominal fees charged. Take care and thank you for listening.